Hi guys, welcome to my channel Creative Tricks. In this video we are going to make a pinhole camera. Let's start the video. To make this we need some materials like a plaster, a box, marker, scissors, oil paper and a candle. Let's start making our pinhole camera. Now take the box and draw a rectangle on it with the help of marker, leaving 1 cm all sides. Cut it with the help of scissors. Now cover all the sides with plaster. Now take the oil paper and stick it to the box. Stick it with the help of plaster. Now take the safety pin and make a hole in the middle of the box. Now take cardboard as a base for the pinhole camera. Now take a tape and put the pinhole camera on it to make some height. Now light the candle and put it in front of the pinhole camera. Our pinhole camera is ready. Let's go for testing our pinhole camera. You can see the image of the candle on the screen. The image of the candle is inverted. Make more holes to get more images. You can see more images on the pinhole camera screen. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.